So what we have the method here is, this is called as Gauss elimination method. It is GAUSS, Gauss elimination method. You know how to solve a system of equations. Okay. Even this is one of the numerical method which is going to solve a system of linear equations. So suppose, okay, consider a system of linear equations as, suppose we have it in the form some a1x plus a2y plus a3z equal to some b1. Okay, or I'll just take this as d1. Similarly, b1x plus b2y plus b3z equal to some d2, c1x plus c2y plus c3z equal to d3. Suppose we have a system of equations. Now, if the question is solve this system, means we have to get the values of, any idea? If I ask you to solve it, means we have to get the values of, please do answer. What are the unknowns here?
ABC.
Huh? ABC are unknown? No, no. Unknowns are x, y, z. See, you're not considered a system of equation like this 2x plus 3y is 5, or maybe like minus x plus 4y is equal to some 9. Solving a system means what? Coefficient of x and y will be given. So solving means what? You need to find what are x and y, isn't it? Similarly here, solving this system means we have to find x, y, z. So what we do, we write this in the form called as, okay, we write this given system in the form a is to b. So how to write a is to b is, see, from first equation, you take the elements as coefficient of, like, go on taking the coefficient. a1, a2, a3 is to d1. a1, a2, a3 is to d1. Similarly, second equation, b1, b2, b3 is to, what I have to write? d2. Hope clear?
D2.
I'm writing the elements of the matrix A is to B. This is just a notation. It is a simple concept only. Okay. Can you tell me what will be the third row then?
C1, C2, C3.
C1, C2, C3 is to D3. So
D.
first we write it in the matrix form. This is called as adjugate matrix. This is called adjugate matrix. One more name is there, adjoint matrix. So I'll use it as adjugate. So what you have to do, you have to apply some row transformations. Go on applying the row transformations, means row operations. After applying, you have to ultimately end up with a matrix of this category. Okay, how you should get it? You should get it in the form U is to C, where U is nothing but upper triangular matrix. Upper triangular matrix. Can anybody tell me what is upper triangular? See, for this matrix, this is the diagonal. Okay. Below this diagonal, all element, if they are 0, it is called as upper triangular, isn't it? What we did in rank. A similar way. Means I have to reduce B1, C1, C2 as 0 by applying what? Row transformation. So if you apply it and reduce it, it becomes a upper triangular matrix. Then this upper triangular matrix is to C, we write it in the form of equations. See how we have written now equations in the form of matrix. Now matrix should be written in terms of equation. Then when you write these equations, we apply a method called as back substitution. This will give me the values of x, y and z. Okay, this is like general procedure. So keep in mind, Gauss elimination method means a adjugate matrix A is to B should be reduced to a upper triangular is to a column matrix by applying row transformation. Okay, this much. You know now how to reduce it as 0. Okay, I'll not explain for these terms. I'll take one example only and explain it. Okay. Yeah, I'll better take, see, they have given some 2 examples each in your model question paper. I'll better take those only. Okay, so just see in first model question paper, I'll just write down the question. Solve the following system. Solve the following system of equations. System of equations by Gauss elimination method. Gauss elimination method. So this question is going to be common for all the questions. This question is going to be common for all the problems. I'll go on taking the system of equations. Is it okay? Yeah. So first system. First they have given it as 5x plus 10y plus z equal to 28. Then x plus y plus z equal to 6. Then 4x plus 8y plus 3z equal to 29. Okay. So always know, while solving these example, before starting with the solution, you solve by the side in the calculator and keep the answers with you. You know how to operate, how to take these 3 equations. Similar format you take it for ax plus by plus cz format equal to d and substitute the values and tell me the answers. Are you sitting with calculator? Yes or no? If no, just go get your calculator first. Because ultimately you should, if you know the answer, no, if you have done some mistake, you will come to know in between also. Anybody tell me the values of x, y, z? See, for B division morning I conducted the per fitting. There how you calculated, no, finding ABC similar way. Here whatever values you will get, they are for x, y, z. Tell me fast. If you have problem, you tell me. I'll continue with the procedure as it is.
Ma'am, explain one.
What I have to explain? I said take these values in the calculator, solve it, and tell me the answers of
X is
x,
equal
y,
to
z.
minus 2.
X is
X is
minus
equal to
2.
minus 2. Y is equal to 1. Z is equal to 0.
0.
Yes, ma'am.
5 minus 20.
Excuse me, ma'am.
No, I don't.
I'm getting x is equal to 1, y is equal to 2, and z is equal to 3.
Yes, that is right, because z cannot be 0. Tell me. That's what I said. No, you should have knowledge how to operate the calculator. If you have correct answers, then when you apply the method, you can verify. X is what you said?
Ma'am, 1.
1. Y is
Y is 2.
2, and Z is 3.
Z is 3.
Yeah,
Yes,
it is. You can obviously here verify. No? This is 1 plus 2 plus 3 is 6. Don't operate. If you take the values wrongly in calculator, this will mislead you. Be careful. Now coming to the method. This will not give you marks, any marks. It is only for your confirmation. Okay, for this, we have to apply the method and get the full marks. Okay, so to write this, we write the adjugate matrix. Okay, so just start writing from adjugate matrix A is to B. I told you know how to write the elements. Can anybody help me writing? First row is from first equation. Go on writing the coefficients. 5.
1, 4,
and 10,
5, 10. Next,
10,
coefficient of
1,
z
1,
is 1.
1,
Is to 28. Done. First equation. Second row is from second equation. Tell me
1, 1, 1,
is to 6.
6,
Third one
4, 8, 3, 29.
483 is to 29. Yeah, this is being done. See, we have to reduce this into upper triangular is to a column matrix. Means this is the diagonal. So below this we have these 3 elements. So these elements should be what? To become this matrix as upper triangular.
0.
Huh? These elements should be 0. Yes, these should be 0. Now to reduce it as 0, again we have to apply a similar procedure. You are aware. So first we have to consider this 5. With the help of this 5, we have to reduce these 2 elements as 0. Can anybody tell me what is the operation to be applied now? It is for reducing this element which lies in second row. How to apply? R2 minus. Which element you want to reduce? 1. With the help of which element? Corresponding diagonal. This 5 should be written where? Before R2. Correct? Now 5 is lying in which row? First row.
R1,
Yeah. If you remember the concept of your rank finding, this will not be a difficult concept. Okay. Now, similarly, next even we can reduce R3 element. This 4 is also 0. Yeah, help me in writing. R3 is R3 minus. You want to reduce 4 as 0 with the help of 5. Where is this 5?
R1,
R1. Did you get these 2 operations? Have you understood it?
yes, ma'am.
Yeah. Yes. So just continue. Just do apply this operation. This is A is to B is the matrix. What I have to write as it is? First row as it is. There is no operation for first row. Okay. What happens to this? Obviously it becomes 0. Next, apply this set of operation for 1 and 10. So my R2 is 1. My R1 is 10. Just apply 5 into 1 minus 10 is how much?
Minus 5,
Minus 5. Very good. Next is 1 and 1. Both are 1 and 1. So it becomes 5 minus 1. 4. Correct? Next set is 6 and 28. 6 and 28. So it becomes 5 into 8, 6 minus 28 is how much? 5, 6, that 30 minus 28 is 2. Isn't it? Are you getting same? Please do
yes, ma'am.
reply. Next.
Yes.
For third row, let us apply this. This is obviously 0, not to worry. Now for the next set, we have 8. Corresponding to 8, tell me which is the R1 element to be taken up.
10,
10. So it is 8 and 10. So this is 5 into 8 minus 4 into 10. 8 5s are 40 minus 10 4s are
0,
40. 0. Good.
0,
Next. For 3, what is the corresponding element is 1. So substitute here 5 3s are 15 minus 4 1s are 4. 15 minus 4 is
11,
how much? 11. Okay.
11,
Next. Next for 29 we have it as 28. So this is 5 into 29 minus 4 into 28 is how much?
33,
33. All are getting same answer? Others, are you there?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. Hope you understood the method. Now, tell me, is it a upper triangular is to a column matrix? See, actually, luckily here it is reduced as 0. Otherwise, this element will not be 0 direct. That we have to reduce. Got it? I think they have made it simple question for diplomas. Okay. So see, is it now upper triangular? Obviously, yes. After reducing to upper triangular, now what you do? Write this in equation format. Have we have written the given equation in this matrix format? No. Now matrix to be written in equation format. Tell me what I'll get. Therefore, system of equations are, tell me from first equation, what is this? Coefficient of x. Just see, this first column is for coefficient of x, these are for coefficient of y, this is for z, and these are the constants on RHS. Tell me how to write this equation in terms of equation.
5x
5x
plus 10y plus
z
10y.
1z equal to 28. I'll call it as
28.
equation 1. Next, there is no x term, right? Because coefficient of x is 0 here, leave it. So this should be the coefficient of y only. Don't change it.
minus 5y
So this is
plus
minus
4z.
5y plus 4z equal to 2. Very good. This take it as equation 2. Tell me how to write the third row.
Level z.
Very good.
Level z is equal to
Coefficient of
4z.
x and y both are 0. It is 11z is equal to 33. You only tell me how can I solve further part. How easily I can solve by taking which equation?
Third equation.
Third equation, isn't it? See, from third equation, we can write z equal to 33 divided by 11. What is the answer?
3.
3.
3.
Yes, that. Now what to do? How can I solve further?
Substitute z values in equation 2.
Very good. So put z equal to 3 in equation 2. So this is minus 5y plus 4 into 3 equal to 2. Else, this is minus, no, I better shift it here. So plus 5y will be, this is 4 3s are 12, correct? Then I'm even I have to shift this 2 here. So it becomes minus 2. How much? 12 minus 2 is 10. So what will be y then?
2.
2. Done? Now, tell me what is one more step. Which equation to be used now? Which value is unknown still?
Equation.
Yeah.
Equation 1.
Equation 1. So let us substitute these two values of obtained y and z in equation 1. So 5x plus 10 into 2 plus z is 3 equal to 28. Else it is 5x is equal to 28 minus 10 2s are 20. 20 plus 3 is how much? Is it 23? What is the difference? 28 minus 23 is 5.
5.
Okay. So what will be 5x then? 5 divided by 5.
1.
1. Check whether your answer is correct. Just see, this is from
Yes,
calculator.
ma'am.
And this is what we have done it by the method. Is the method clear? See in which way we have went. Isn't it from first we use third, then we use second, then we used a 1. So what? How, in which way? Backwards, right? That's why it is called as back substitution. Understood now the part? Very, very simple method.
Ma'am, how to put in calculator, ma'am?
Yes, ma'am. How to put in
Yes,
calculator?
ma'am.
Go to equations. Are you using MS or ES?
Yes. Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
FX, ma'am.
In
FX.
ES, no, it shows like the equations. When you press that mode button, no, it shows you the equation
Yes,
like
ma'am.
this,
Fine number.
right? Yeah, you
Yes,
use
Yes,
this
ma'am.
equation, AX plus BY plus CZ equal to D. Even for curve fitting, no, if you are using straight line, you have to use this equation. You can use calculator in curve fitting finally. Huh?
Yes, yes.
Okay. Here, this is to be used if you have 3 unknowns. This is to be used for parabola, fitting of a second degree parabola concept is there, no? That you use. Okay. Yeah. Here coefficient of x, y, z should be taken and whatever is there on the RHS. Now all of you confirm, are you getting it? Is the method clear? Say either yes or no. Huh? Is the method
Yes, ma'am.
clear? Okay. Yeah. Don't worry. I'll take one more, at least 2 more problems. At least 2. Okay. Let me take from the question paper only. The question is same. Solve the linear system of equations by Gauss elimination method. In that, the second set. 3x plus y minus z equal to 3. 2x minus 8y plus z equal to minus 5. X minus 2y plus 9z equal to 8. Yeah, all of you put the values in the calculator. Tell me the answer first. Don't take longer time, please.
How to put in calculator?
Which calculator you are using? Which calculator?
FX 991.
991 na?
Yes.
ES.
Yes, ma'am.
I think okay. MS is higher version or ES? I even forgot.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Max is equal
ES.
to 1.
See,
Y is equal to 1.
okay. Just see, you have to
Z is equal to 1.
calculate. 1 second. Yeah, you are right. Just see. Here you have two options. One in one of the calculator, if you go to equations, it displays the equation like this. Along with this, you have a continuation ax plus b. I think so. Ax square plus bx plus c equal to some d format. Okay. And one more is ax cube plus bx square. There are some 3 to 4 options are there in that. In one of the calculator, when you press equations, no, it will ask unknowns. So unknowns, if it is asking, you can just choose it as there are two options, 2 and 3. You can choose it as 3 for this solving this type of problem. Now I got it. Who was that? Who was asking me? Let it be. I am not. Just the thing is it clear? When you press that mode button, no mode button. When you go to equations, no, this is displayed or it will ask you as unknowns. Are you able to find out now?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Tell me
ma'am.
now, x, y, z
One.
values. All are 1?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
All are 1. Okay, 1, 1, 1. This is what we should get. Start with the Gauss elimination method. What is the first step? What is the first step?
Adjugate matrix.
Adjugate matrix. How it is denoted?
A is to B.
A is to B. Okay, is equal to. Tell me the elements for A is to B. Start with this. 3, 1 minus 1 is to 3. Correct? 3, 1 minus 1 is to 3. Next, second row is what? 2.
2 minus 8, 1 is to minus 5.
Okay, done. Third row.
1 minus 2
1
9
minus
is to 8.
Minus 2, 9 and 8. Done. Don't write any of the element wrong. Otherwise, your answer will be wrong. Okay. So what we have to do first? This is my diagonal. Right? These 3 elements should be compulsorily 0. So first we have to reduce which 2 elements?
R2.
Yeah, R2. Operation tell me. R2 is R2 minus. You want to reduce 2 as 0 with the help of which element? It is with the help of the diagonal. Where I have to write this here? Diagonal element should be written here. Now diagonal element is lying in which row?
R1.
R1. Tell me R3 operation. One of you, full. R3 minus, you want to reduce 1 as 0 with the help of 3. This 3 is lying in R1. Hope clear? See, nothing much. That's why I told you while studying about the rank, no, if you once understand how to reduce it, that is very useful. Let us apply. So A is to B. This is now what I have to do with R1 as it is or any change?
As it is.
As it is. Okay. This is surely 0, not to worry. Next set, for this minus 8, what is the corresponding R1 element? Corresponding R1 is 1. Okay. So put in place of R2 as minus 8 and R1 as 1. So this is 3 into minus 8 minus 2 into 1. How much? Minus 24 minus 2.
Minus 26.
26.
Okay, 26. Next set is 1 and minus 1. 1 and minus 1. So this is 3 into 1
0.
minus 2 into minus 1. How much?
5.
5.
5. Next set is minus 5 and 3. Substitute here. Minus 5 and 3. So 3 into minus 5 minus 2 into 3. Minus 15 minus 6. Correct?
Minus 21.
Minus 21. Very good. Next. This element is surely 0. Next. For minus 2, tell me corresponding R1 element.
1.
1. Okay, so here 3 into R3 element is minus 2 and R1 element is 1. So this is minus 6 minus 1 is how much? Minus 7. Okay. Next. Next 9 and minus 1. So 3 into 9 minus of minus 1. 3 nines are
Total 28.
27 plus 1, 28. Done. Next, 8 and 3 should be considered. 8 and 3. So 3 into 8 minus 3.
21.
21. Done. Now tell me, is it upper triangular?
No.
No.
ma'am.
Which
No, ma'am.
element is not making it as upper triangular? Which element is that?
Minus 7.
Minus 7. So this minus 7 should be reduced to 0 with the help of? With the help of?
R3.
1.
R1.
Arey Baba, you remember,
Yes.
this is the diagonal. You don't divert it from here. This is my diagonal element. Why you people change always? Yeah, this is my 26 is my diagonal element. Let us apply now. So operation is to be applied for reducing minus 7, which is in R3. How to apply? See, R3 minus. See, now in this 7, minus 7 and minus 26, what is common at the most?
Minus.
At the most, minus is common. Okay, so think minus is out only. So I want to reduce 7 as 0 with the help of 26. Where is 26 is? Which row?
R2.
R2. Yeah, I cannot take anything common other than this. Let us apply. So what I have to write as it is?
First 2 rows.
First 2 rows. 3, 1, minus 1 is to 3. 0 minus 26, 5 is to minus 21, 0. Now here when you apply it, this is surely 0. Next, 28 and what I have to take? Either I have to take a 5 or minus 1.
5.
5 we have to take because we have to consider here R2 element, right? So these two should be considered. This is like 26 into 28 minus 7 into 5. Do this calculation. I don't know, very big number it is coming. Let it be. Tell.
693.
693. Okay. Here also it should be 693. Okay. Now take 21 and minus 21 and put it over here. 26 into R3 element is 21 minus 7 into minus 21. How much? 693?
Same, ma'am. Same, ma'am.
Yeah, if it is 693 correct, why no? I still remember what is the value of Z here. All X, Y, Z, all are 1 only, no? So if I am getting here,
Yes.
it is a 1 means both should be same. Okay? Yeah. What is the next step? Is it reduced to upper triangular? Is it reduced?
Yes.
Yeah,
Yes.
it is reduced to upper triangular. So we write in equation form. So equations are, system of equations are, tell me. 3x plus y minus z equal to 3, equation 1. How to write second row in equation format?
Minus 26y plus 5z
Equal to
equal to minus 21.
21. Second
Minus
equation.
21.
Third equation. This is the coefficient of what? 693.
Z.
Z
693.
equal to 693. This is my third equation. So very easily, how to solve it? Use first equation 3, isn't it? Go from backwards. So from equation 3, Z value is 693 upon 693 means you will get it as 1. Correct? Where this to be substituted in 2.
Equation 2.
Yes. So minus 26y plus 5 into 1 is equal to minus 21. Better, you shift this here. So it becomes 26y is equal to, you have a 5 here. If I shift my minus 21, it becomes plus 21. What is the value of this? 26.
26.
Yeah. So what is the value of y? 1.
1.
Yeah. So put y equal to 1, z equal to 1, where? In equation 1.
1.
So 3 into x as it is, y is 1, z is 1, equal to 3. See, very easy. Plus 1 minus 1 goes, 3 and 3 goes. But while cancelling, it is not 3 minus 3 as 0. What it is? 3 ones are 3 ones are. Huh? So don't write 0. It is going to be 1. So you write one line. Lastly, I just forgot. Therefore, the solution of given system is, this should be always written. System is x equal to 1, y equal to 1, and z equal to 1. Means what values you obtained in for that particular problem, it should be written. Any doubts? Hopefully no.
No, ma'am.
Ma'am, can
Huh.
excuse me, ma'am.
Huh.
Ma'am, can you explain where that 693 came from?
How 693 has come? Okay. Where you want here or here or both?
Ma'am, kindly please both.
No. I'll tell you. Is it for both? Okay, both I'll tell. See, this has come in this
Yes, ma'am.
place. This place. So I am applying the operation for R3. Correct. R3 and R2 element. So corresponding to 28, my corresponding R2 element is 5. So in this equation, R3 I have to write it as 28 and R2 I have to write it as 5. Okay. So I'm writing it as 26 into 28 minus 7 into R2 corresponding element is 5. So if you do this, yeah, use your calculator, check. 693 will come or no?
Yes, ma'am, coming.
He had a doubt, no? Let him confirm. Is it
Yes, ma'am.
693? Yes, very good. Similarly, when I have 21 and minus 21, so in place of R3, I have to write 21. In place of R2, I should write it as minus 21. I should keep this
I'm not
equation
coming.
same. Huh? 26 into 21 minus 7 into minus 21. So this is actually minus into minus plus. Now check, is it 693? Got or no? Unless you say yes, I cannot proceed for the next example. Did you get 693?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Okay, done. So this is for the second example. Let me take one more. So this is x plus 2y plus z equal to 3. 2x plus 3y plus 3z equal to 10. 3x minus y plus 2z equal to 30. Yeah. First you solve in calculator and do check it. It is 2, 1, 1 is to 7. 1, 3, 1 is to 10. 1, 1, 1 is to 15. Yeah. So with the help of this 2, diagonal element will reduce these two as 0. Tell me the operations. R2 is R2 minus, you want to reduce 1 with the help of 2. 2 is lying in first row. Similarly, R3 operation is similar. 2R3 minus R1. Let us apply so that it is going to be first row same. 2, 1, 1 is to 7. This is 0. Next. R2 element is 3 and this is 1. So 3 2s are 6 minus 1 is 5. Both are 1 and 1. So 2 minus 1 is 1. 10 and 7. So this is 2 into 10 minus 7 is how much? 20 minus 7 is 13.
13.
Next is 0. Next, both are 1 and 1. So this is 2 minus 1 is 1. Both are again 1 and 1 is 1. Next is 15 and 7. So 2 into 15 minus 7. 30 minus 7 is 23, no?
23.
Yes. Next is this is the diagonal element. We have to reduce this 1 as 0. So operation is R3 is R3 minus, you want to reduce 1 as 0 with the help of 5. This 5 is lying in which row? Second one. So first two rows same. 2, 1, 1 is to 7. 0, 5, 1 is to 13 same. This is 0. This will also be 0. Next. This is 1 and 1. Both are 1 and 1. So this is 5 minus 1 is 4. 23 and 13. So 5 into 23 minus 13 is how much?
102.
102. Done. Write in equation format because it's already reduced to now upper triangular matrix. We have a diagonal. Below that, all elements are 0. So it is upper triangular. Okay. This is write in equation form. 2x plus y plus z equal to 7 from first row. Second row, 5y plus z equal to 13. Third row, 4z is equal to 102. I'll call it as 1, 2, and this is 3. So from third equation, what is z? 102 by 4 means at the most we can write it as 51 by 2, no?
Yes,
Correct?
yes, ma'am.
Yeah. Substitute in.
Yes, ma'am.
Don't write decimal, please. Sometimes they don't permit it. Or decimal will not be 100% right. Some values you have to leave there. Substitute in equation 2. This is 5y plus 51 by 2 equal to 13. Else 5y is equal to 13 minus 51 by 2. Simplify. Take LCM is 2. So this here 2. Multiply 13 2s are 26. Tell me 26 minus 51 is how much?
Minus 25.
Minus 25. Yes. Therefore, y will be minus 25 by 2. If I shift my 5, it comes in the denominator. So 5 ones are 5 5s are. Is the answer right? Minus 5 by 2. Therefore, let us substitute these y and z values in equation 1. 2x, my y is minus 5 by 2. My z is 51 by 2 equal to 7. So that 2x will be equal to, just you can check here, what is plus 51 minus 5? 51 minus 5 is 46, no?
46.
46 divided by 2 means
23.
23. Shift it here. It becomes minus 23. What is our value here? 7 minus 23 is how much? 16?
Minus 16.
Minus 16.
Minus 16. So x will be minus 16 by 2, which is minus 8. Done? So you just
Yes.
write the solution. So it is again from this also we are going to get the same values. Okay. So this is about